Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course. Lesson 82. In this lesson, our focus is to remain upon Vedic mathematics teachers training. Vedic mathematics of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras with its integrated format is a complete system. Ganita Sutras, 16 in number, as well make a complete system, and Ganita Upsutras, 13 in number, as well make a complete system. And both together, Ganita Sutras and Upsutras also make a complete system. This is feature number 1. Feature 1 is that Ganita Sutras make a complete system. Ganita Upsutras as well make a complete system. And Ganita Sutras and Upsutras together as well make a complete system. It is first feature. The second feature is that Ganita Sutras make a learning steps system, while Ganita Upsutras make a teaching steps sequence. And integrated format of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras make a knowledge system. Feature 3. Ganita Sutras are 16 in number, and number 16 is Jeev, being. Ganita Upsutras are 13 in number, and 13 is Chit, consciousness. Ganita Sutras and Upsutras together make 29, which is TCB, Brahma, creator. Feature 4. Integrated format is of 2 streams, Sutra 1 to Sutra 8 and Sutra 9 to Sutra 16, and sequentially Ganita Upsutras 1 to 7, and here Ganita Upsutras 8 to 13. This bridging of the gaps makes it a system of a cyclic folds, that means starting with Ganita Sutra 1, reaching up till Ganita Sutra 16 with gaps duly bridged. Sutra 8, Sutra 9, here will be Sutra 14, Upsutra 13, and Sutra 15, like that. And this system would mean that it will go on. It will not remain only as of a single format, but it is of many folds. So that way we can say this takes us to feature 5 here itself. Feature 5 is that we are having a reach from Sutra 1 to Sutra 16, that is Sutra 1, Sutra 2, Sutra 8, Sutra 9, Sutra 14, Sutra 15, Sutra 16, like this. And here are the Upsutras. There is no need of, there is no gap bridging. Here is Upsutra 13. Here is Upsutra 1. When it reaches here, it again, here no bridging is required. And as such, it starts making first fold, then a second fold, third fold, fourth fold, and the fifth fold as well. The sixth feature is that Sutra 1 is the source sutra. Upsutra 1 is source Upsutra. By source sutra means all other sutras sequentially unfold from the structure of Sutra 1. Likewise, Upsutra as a source sutra means the all Upsutras emerge, unfold sequentially from within the structures of Upsutra 1 itself. Ahead, the seventh feature is that Sutra 1, which is Eka Adhikain for Adhikain Purve, this 16 letters text with its 16 numbers translation as 6, 4, 2, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 5, 6, 3, 7, 6, 7, 1. These are the structural keys. These are the structural keys of Sutra 1 to Sutra 16, means Sutra 1 structural key is 6, Sutra 2 structural key is 4, and so on. Sutra 16 structural key is 1. This and feature 8 is that Sutra 1, Sutra 8, Sutra 9, Sutra 15, and Sutra 16 are 5 sutras which are having their text as the structural keys. This is a structural key for first fold. This is structural key of second fold, structural key of third fold, structural keys of fourth fold, and structural keys of fifth fold. Means when the eighth letter is there, Purana Apurana Bhyam, then it will start with Sutra 8 with structural 5, STC value and so on. Like here 9, Chalna Kalna Bhyam will make 2 with the structural key of Sutra 9 and then sequence. 15, Gunit Samuchya would mean 3 would be the structural key of Sutra 5 and then again sequence. And here again Gunak 3. These are the structural keys. So there is a bunch of Sutra 5th. Next feature is that Sutra 1 has 16 structural keys. Sutra 8 has 16 structural keys. Sutra 9 has 16 structural keys. Sutra 15 has 16 structural keys. And Sutra 16 as well has 16 structural keys. So these 5 bunches of structural keys have the first sutra with its first structural key as the master structural key. Master structural key. Then F10. When there is an integrated format, then there are 13 Upsutras. And these Upsutras with Upsutra 1 is having only 10 letters. These letters, 10 letters as such, are first, last, and seventh as the middle. These are having unfolding with the first letter itself, and this first letter will take for the 6 letters. So this key is also a key for Sutras 2, Upsutras 2 to Upsutras 6. Here, the 7th to 10th letter, 4 structural keys will be of Upsutra. Ahead means 8 to 12. The first letter here, the 7th letter. So let us first write down all the letters. A, Na, U, Ra, U, Pa, Ya, A, Ana, and A. These are 10 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this letter is the structural key of Upsutra 1. And then these 4 letters, these 6 letters up to 6, these letters are of Upsutras 2 to 7. Then the sutras, this will become the sutra of this as well. So Upsutras 1 and 2 are having the first structural key. The sutras, 10th sutra, is the structural key of Upsutra 12 and 13 together. The middle sutra, 7th, is having pairing with 6th and 7th, and also with 7th and 8th. So these two and these two, so it has a double key. This feature as such deserves to be appreciated well. These are that way the 10 structural keys of the 10 beginning, middle and end. Except these, there are 10 sutras. And these 10 sutras, this is 2 to 6. And here is again 8 to 12. This way, we will have the structural keys for Upsutras. However, our 11th feature is the feature 11. We are now visiting the structural keys of integrated format of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras both. These are 1 to 29, and sequence is Sutra 1 followed by Upsutra 1, Sutra 2 followed by Upsutra 2, continuing up till Sutra 7, Upsutra 7, and then Sutra 8. It is the first string of the integrated format. The second string starts with Sutra 9, Upsutra 8, Sutra 10, Upsutra 9, Sutra 14, followed by Upsutra 13, then Sutra 15 and Sutra 16. But we know that each sutra has its distinct structural key, and these are as many as 16, bunch of 16 structural keys for sutras 1 to 16 supplied by Sutra 1. Another bunch of 16 structural keys are supplied by Sutra 8. Then third bunch is supplied by Sutra 9. Fourth bunch is supplied by Sutra 15, and then by 16. So first, 8th, 9th, 15th, and 16th. So these are 5 sets. And if we visit Ganita Upsutras, then see the Sutra 10, Upsutra 10 is having 16 letters, and Upsutra 13 is having 16 and 16 twice, Gunit Samuchya, Samuchya Gunita structural keys. And Sutra 8, Upsutra 8 as well is having 16 letters and it is having so there are quadruple structural keys and these are for 13 Upsutras with the repeated double keys for Upsutra 1, Upsutra 7 and Upsutra 13. So there are two structural keys here, two structural keys here, two structural keys here, and this makes set of 16, and these are also available as 64. For sutras there are 80. This makes 144. It is 12 square. That means the transcendental boundary components of hypercube 6 in a spatial order gives rise to 12 into 12, 144, and this is the total set of the structural keys. And see when all these structural keys will be applied, and that too for 5 folds, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. It will make real eternity. It is this eternity reach is the 12th feature. These 12 features of Vedic mathematics deserve to be approached. So F1 to F12 are the features which with 144 structural keys then take us to 12 raised to power 3, and it is the index of the richness, of mathematics, Vedic mathematics of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras. Sadhkas be parallel with it. And now see how Vedic mathematics teachers training is to proceed. Now we know that human body is having Shad Chakras formate, and it is this Shad Chakras formate which takes us to the first chakra location as a seat of a third eye, and it has 1 as a 2 and 2 as a 1 breathing, and it has 2 as 3 and 3 as 1. So the mathematics of human body will take us here 1 to 2 and 2 to 1, here 2 to 3 and 3 to 2. Then ahead is a 4, which is a creator's space. Then from the first nostril is Ida. From the second is a Pingala. And at the middle is Sushmana. It is 9. And it is 7, 9, 16, 23. And it is Sushmana, 6, 9 and 19, 34. It is H9. And it is 3 plus 5. It is 3 plus 5 and 3 gonna 5. It is 1 plus 3 plus 5. So how the human body, of which mind is organ of creation of intelligence field with the consciousness base. Vedic mathematics on one part, human body on another part, and flow from sun as 7 streams, a transcendental content of a reach within the creator's space. It is 4th chakra, it is heart, and there is a reversal of it. So Surya Rashmi (13 plus 17, 30) H8, and then Chit and Atma. This Chaitanta within human body, this happening within the solar universe's sun. Here are the Vedic mathematics, and here is formation of a human body. All are to be unified, as these are naturally unified. And it is here where the learning and teaching of Vedic mathematics is to institutionalized. Here will be a Shishya, student. Here will be a Guru. It is 12 plus 15, 27. And these will make constellations. Nakshatra. It is Shiva, Transcendental Lord, and it is Rama, Vishnu, 1 to 15, having 1 to 25 as factors, a Vishnu. Within the heart of Rama is the seat of Shiva, and within the heart of Shiva is the seat of Vishnu. These all are the features which are lively. It is this lively phenomenon which makes Vedic mathematics. Sadhakas sit comfortably, permit the mind to be parallel with it, imbibe it, and have blissful ambrosia within you. Thank you very much.